We are off to Le Mans. It's 100 years of Le Mans this year, and we're taking Jason's TR7 V8 across to Le Mans. We are meeting up with some friends this morning. It's 5:30, we're in the Sainsbury's car park. We're waiting for quite a fancy two-seat sports car, so fingers crossed they'll be here shortly. But we have got to get together, get off to the ferry, and we'll see what Le Mans. A few last checks before we hit the ferry, just making sure that we got water, that's all good. So we are good to go. Smile, Jace. Yeah. See, that was sort of a smile.
Let there be a bit of space in front of us. Plan our anti-social behaviour. Oh, don't move in front of us. Oh. Down into third.
It is 5:30 in the morning and we are sat in the Sainsbury's car park just outside Portsmouth, waiting for our friends to arrive in their car, which you're going to enjoy seeing that. You've probably already seen it in the thumbnail, but it's quite an exciting car. Do you reckon they're going to let me drive that one? No, I think they're going to let me drive it.
A bit more powerful in this
I'll
one.
take some photos and a bit of filming, but I don't think we'll be allowed to drive it. You never know. But we should be able to swap passengers in it and get a bit of a spin in each car. That should be good fun.
Why not?
So
Tomorrow job
tomorrow.
In France.
Yeah, because we get into Le Mans a day early, so we got a day to just drive around France and play with the cars. So that should be good fun. But right now we're just hanging about, waiting for the car, and then shooting off to the ferry. Ferry leaves at 8:30, but we're meant to be there about an hour and a half early. So yeah, that's why we're up at 5:30 in the morning. 19 minutes. That's just easy run, isn't it?
Yeah.
Are we going to see any other classic cars on the way?
And am I going to have the phone out ready?
No. Right, last fuel trip. And off to the ferry. 4 people's luggage in the back of this. That's pretty good going.
By drugs.
And drugs. Not the good type either.
Not the good stuff.
Nice healthy breakfast. While we wait, what have we got? Coffee and cake.
Coffee and cake, which I'm getting everywhere.
I've got coconut nipples. They're quite nice then. Oh, right, let's run to the ferry. I say she's running a bit fast then. That's why she's
It can't, yeah,
back down.
it does the thing.
Yeah.
Goes back down on its own.
Oh!
Yeah. Morning! Yeah. Decided he doesn't go. Don't want that on phone. Get ruined in that.
They good to go?
It's proper that, isn't it?
do? We videoing them? Or
Yeah.
Are we videoing us?
Video them.
Video
They're cooler
them.
than us.
They're cooler than us. Stop keeping it.
Right, we're at the ferry port. There's them going through. Got some nice classics starting to show up. Yes, back there. Right, have we found what we need?
We've already been done with him now because
Oh, right, brilliant.
it's been shared to me. Ah, it's a Triumph Stag. Yeah. Can't see anything, all these modern cars are in the way.
There is Scooby-Doo.
Alright, that is going. So. Oh!
And the only right thing to do is have a little walk along and see what we've got. So, fair thought. Proper TR8. Our TR7. Marcos 1600 GT. We've got a Carrera going in over there. And there are our friends. Look at that. Right, let's carry on and have a look. That lovely 914. That is beautiful. Nice MG. TR6. Another Marcos. Nice AMG. Nice bit of American muscle. Modern Porsche. Oh, little MX-5. Nice. Hello. Jaguar. Oh, Ferrari. Look at that. Oh, and another little Ferrari. That's nice. Alright, guys. We are definitely in good company on this trip. And we've got to get this. Look at this. A Delamasso Pantera. An Aston Martin. Another Pantera. Wow. Look at these. Beautiful. And then right down to the front. Right, I better get back up to my car. It's such a pretty car. It's lovely. Beautiful car. Oh, nice Merc. Oops, excuse me. Thank you very much. That's so pretty.
I had it unpainted using it, shakedown.
These are really, I like these. And there we are, back to ours.
This important.
Coffee.
Coffee, just a bit dead.
Still got some booby cakes.
Some boob cakes. That came out really well, actually. Jesus.
Right, we're actually getting onto the ferry now, after France. So we've made it. Stage
So
one.
far,
Well, is it stage one or stage two? Stage one was getting to where we were staying last night. Stage two is we got to the ferry. Stage three is we get off the ferry.
Off the ferry, yeah.
And then into France. Right, we are on the ferry. We just wait for our friends to board, so I think they might come up behind us shortly. And then we've got a 5-hour cruise across to France. So hopefully this video will be up by the time we get to France. And I will do some more filming tomorrow. So cheers guys for following along, and we will see you in France.
Drop my phone on them as they go past. Ruin their day.
Oh, you can across it diagonal to spare the chassis.
I'm going to zoom in on the dash. What's that? What are they eating?